everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bonus video that I want to start doing once a month, and I'm going to call it my subscription Saturday. So I get quite a few different subscriptions, but I want to show you guys 4 of the subscriptions that I get every single month because I either think they're worth it or I'm testing out the subscription to see if it's worth it. The first 3 subscriptions are all makeup subscriptions, and then I'll leave the last one, which is kind of like a fitness / clothing subscription, to the very end, and I'll put timestamps of the 4 subscriptions that I'm going to be doing so you guys can skip to the one you want to see or see my thoughts on them, so on and so forth. So let's go ahead and start off with the January Glossy Box. I have been getting Glossy Box now for the past 4 months. I did subscribe initially to them maybe like 2 years ago, kind of on and off, but I had stopped because I wasn't a very big makeup user about 2-3 years ago, and I just felt like the products that I was getting in my Boxycharm were a little bit too kind of like advanced for me. I was very simple when it came to makeup back then because I was just starting off. But now I think that Boxycharm is really worth it, and I like that they've been including some really nice like palettes in there, and of course Boxycharm does include full-size items. I wanted to show you guys the January 2018 box. I do think there are some good products in here, but whatever I don't use, I go ahead and use and sell on the Mercari app. I'll leave the link down below, and I just sell it at a really discounted price. I'd rather somebody else get the opportunity to try these items at a discounted price. But the first item that's in here is from Glam Metals, and this is an eyeshadow palette. I'm not sure if I'm going to be keeping this product. This is by Crown Pro. It does have a really cute little guitar mirror there. The colors in here are colors that I probably would use, but I'm not going to swatch this because I'm not quite sure if I'm going to sell this palette. So I may actually pass this one along because I have lots of palettes like this already in my collection. The next thing in here, this is from Pure. This is the Complexion Authority Bronze and Brighten Cheek palette, and I am going to be keeping this palette because I think it's absolutely gorgeous. This is a very pretty like corally blush, a gorgeous highlighter, and then the bronzer may not work for me. I may end up just using this bronzer as an eyeshadow. So I'm really excited to try these out. They are kind of like a baked gelée formula. I don't want to say these are powdery, but they do pick up quite a bit of product, so you do want to be careful with this because like I said, they do pick up quite a bit of product. I think you're gonna have to end up using a very specific brush to use this product, but I'm really excited to play around with this. Let me get the 2 out the way that I don't think I'm going to be using at all. The first one is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizing Primer. I just really don't like luminizing primers because I am a little bit more on the oily side, so I think I'm just going to go ahead and sell this. This does retail for about $38, so I'll probably sell this for around $18. And then the next one is the IT Cosmetics Universal Brow Pencil, and this is in the color Universal Taupe. So I'm probably just gonna go ahead and sell this as well. This retails for about $24, so I don't know, maybe I'll sell it for around like $15 or something like that, just because I don't use eyebrow products. 2 out of the 5 items aren't really for my skin type, but so far this Pure palette alone is just worth the box. And then the last item in here, I'm actually really excited to try this. This is from Galactic, and this is the matte lip paint in the color Posh. And I haven't tried any lip products at all from Galactic, and it's this very pretty like nudie brown color. Oh wow, that color is absolutely gorgeous. It's definitely right up my alley. It kind of has a little bit of like a terracotta undertone. I really like my brownie colors. This wasn't the best box, but it still was a pretty good box in my opinion. The matte lip paint alone was more than the price of the box, so I think this was a pretty good value. I really do like Boxycharm. So the next thing I have here are my IPSY and my Sephora Play Box. These both retail for around $10. I prefer the IPSY one, but I've been getting Sephora Play just to kind of compare to IPSY to see which one I like more. So let's go ahead and start with IPSY. Oh, this is a really cute bag. It looks like it's a kind of like mesh type of bag. It reminds me of some type of like fitness bag or something like that. The detailing is really cute on this. I actually think I'm gonna go ahead and pull this in and use this as my makeup bag. So the theme for this month is called Game Face, and it looks like it has like a little kind of like motivational like card on here. I will conquer, and then you fill in whatever you want to conquer. I may actually put something in here and hang this on my board because I am starting a new fitness journey. So that's actually really nice. It's actually kind of perfect for me. So the first item in here is from Dirty Little Secrets. I have received an item from Dirty Little Secrets before, and this is, it looks like it's an eyeshadow in the shade Bikini. So let's go ahead and open up this box and give it a whirl. I'm not too big on single eyeshadows, but this is a very pretty like bronze color. Put it on there on top of the bronzer so you guys can see what it looks like. But I'm kind of excited to play around with this. I'm actually doing like a single shadow week for my weekly makeup basket, so I may have to pull that one into my single shadow week. So the next item in here is the Merry Illuminizer from the Balm. I actually am not going to swatch this. I'm going to go ahead and put this in like a little giveaway pile for you guys. I already own the full size of this. This is an absolutely gorgeous highlighter. Definitely hands down one of my all-time favorite highlighters. The next thing in here is from Pure Lease. This is the Blue Lotus Seed Mud Mask and Exfoliant. It's a 10-minute facial. Ooh, I'm really excited to try this. I love skin masks, and I actually really do like the Pure Lease brand. I've tried a few of their sheet masks that I really like, so I'm excited to give that a go. This is from Andalou Naturals. It's an argan oil and shea styling cream for soft, flexible hold. I'll have to try this and see how it works out. I'm kind of particular when it comes to hair products, but I have received some really nice hair products from IPSY, and this is a really big sample size, so I really like that. And then the last thing in here is an eyeliner. This is from Ciate. This is the Fierce Flex eyeliner, and I think it's just in the color black, or it looks like it's just a black eyeliner. So I'm currently using the NYX Epic Ink eyeliner, and that one is starting to dry out on me, so I may actually put this one into rotation. And this is a full-size eyeliner. So overall, that was a really nice bag. There's only one product in here that I'm going to be passing along, but that's because I already own the full size of this. But if I didn't, I'd be really excited to get that product in my IPSY bag. So this month, $10. I mean, that eyeliner alone is probably worth $10 because Ciate is a little bit more expensive of a brand. I know it's one of the brands that's like sold at Sephora. So far IPSY was really good this month. Let's go ahead and check out what my Sephora Play is like. IPSY doesn't have a breakdown of the products, but Sephora Play does. And this also comes with like a little card that you get like 50 additional points if you go in store and make a purchase. They're going to give you 50 additional points if you redeem this card. And I think this also has like a breakdown of the products. One thing I do like about Sephora Play is that all of the items that come in the Sephora Play box are all available for purchase inside of Sephora. So maybe IPSY or some of these other like subscription boxes like Boxycharm, they're not all available to purchase in one like condensed little shopping site. So this is nice that everything in here is available at Sephora. And it does come in this, normally it has like a nice little bag. It'll say like Sephora Play, but this time it says 2018 Happy You Year. That's kind of cute. I like using these to kind of store different items, but I really personally wouldn't use it as like a makeup bag like the IPSY bag. So the first thing in here is from Fresh. This is a rose floral toner. So I'm not really big on toners. I mainly use like a mattifying toner in the summertime, but I'll go ahead and give this a try. I haven't tried anything really from Fresh other than their lip products, so I'm curious to see what this toner will do to my oily ass skin. The next thing in here is from Glam Glow. This is the Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. So that's really nice. Glam Glow is a pretty expensive brand, so it's nice. Like, I'm a skincare junkie, so I like trying different skincare things. The next thing in here is a foil sample from Briogeo. It's the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I love conditioning masks, so I'm definitely going to be throwing this in my shower and give it a go. But I don't really like that it's in like a foil sample, because you pretty much either have to use all of this sample at once or like pour it into a container. I feel like you can maybe get 2 uses out of this. So the next thing in here is from Clinique, and this is the Pep Start Eye Cream. I'm actually on the hunt for a new eye cream, so I have been using a lot of deluxe size samples, and I'm almost through some of the ones that I'm currently using. And I've heard really good things about the Clinique Pep Start brand, so I feel like we've gotten a lot of skincare so far. The next thing in the bag is from Smashbox, and this is the Photo Finish Primerizer. Yes, I have been really curious to try this because this is like a primer and a moisturizer in one, and I do go in with a moisturizer and then I go in with a primer, so I'm curious to see if I can eliminate kind of one of those steps by using this. And this is a decent size little sample here. So the last item in here is a makeup product. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it is a lip gloss in the shade Kristen. And unfortunately, I already own this lip gloss, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in my little giveaway pile for you guys, because there's no point in having 2 of these, even though it's a deluxe size sample, and you do get a decent amount in there. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 deluxe size samples, which is really, really nice, and then a foiled sample. Most of the Sephora play bags that I've seen, you really only get like 4 deluxe size samples and then a 5th like perfume sample. So this is really nice that we got 5 deluxe size samples and then an additional like bonus foil sample. So this was a pretty good box. I'm actually pretty impressed with this one. So the last subscription I have to share with you guys, this is from a brand called Ellie, or a subscription service called Ellie. And what they do is they do like fitness wear and fitness equipment. So I started getting this subscription service maybe about 6 months ago now, and I have been loving it. You have 2 different boxes you can get. You can either get their 3-piece box or you can get their 5-piece box. So the 3-piece box retails for around $40, and then the 5-piece box I think retails for around like 50 something or maybe $60. In the 3-piece box, you get a sports bra, you get some type of top. So normally it's some type of like tank or top or shirt, but we've also gotten like wraps or jackets or like hoodies or something like that. And then you also get a pair of exercise pants, and you can pick your individual size for each one of those items, and you can change them as often as you need to. You can't skip the box every single month after previewing all of the items that they have in stock, or all of the items that are going to be coming in that current month. So that's really, really nice. And now what they're doing is they have 3 different styles. So when I first started, they only had 1 style for the entire month. Now they have 3 different styles. So you can pick if you want something a little more trendy, something a little bit more traditional, so on and so forth. So let me stop blabbing and show you guys what I got this month. It comes in a very pretty like rose gold bag. Like I said, I normally get the 3-piece set, and I've been loving the way everything wears so far, and I really like these pants. They are some really nice quality pants, so just buying like the pants alone covers the cost of this box, in my opinion. That's actually the reason why I got it, is because I do not have that many really nice like fitness pants that wear really nicely and comfortably. And when I went to look at how much it costs to buy some like higher quality pants, they're on the more expensive side. So if I'm already going to spend like $40 or $30 on a pair of pants, I might as well get the entire matching outfit. So this here is from Merica. It is their ultimate slimming shape enhancing pants. It's very, very cute. So I did get the extra large size. Hopefully you guys will be able to see the detailing on these pants, but they're very, very cute. It's like a white and black kind of design, and I've just been loving this fitness wear. I really have been loving this fitness wear. So Then the sports bra that it came with, this does look really cute. I'm really liking this. It kind of has like this like Adidas, like old school white and black like Adidas vibe to it. So this is the sports bra that it comes with. I will say most of the sports bras that have been included in this box aren't really made for like super high impact workouts. I'm a double D, so I have a pretty large chest, and these are okay at like controlling the movement. They're pretty comfortable, but like I said, most of the time I will only wear these bras whenever I'm doing like weight training. This one here is from Ballet's, and this one is the low impact seamless. So this is something that you would wear, you wouldn't really wear for like a high impact workout, but I still really like the bras. And then the last thing I got in the box, this is the shirt, and this is really cute. I was really excited when I saw that this was coming in the box. This is a very, very soft tank top, and it says fit on here. I love wearing tank tops whenever I work out. Or most of the tank tops that have come, or most of the shirts that have come in this subscription service are very, very comfortable and soft. So this is also from Ballet's, and this just says that it's like a white tank. So I'm really excited to wear this set. I hope you guys enjoyed me like unboxing this. I know this isn't like a makeup related subscription service, but I still wanted to share it because I've really been enjoying this fitness subscription service. Maybe some of you guys are interested in this type of subscription box because I haven't heard a lot of people talk about it. So let me know if you would like me to continue unboxing this subscription for you guys, or if you want me to if you want to see an entire separate video on it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I currently post 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And then on Sundays, I like to do a weekly makeup basket. So hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.